Hello there, I'm here trying to work on my vehicle. This is a Honda Accord 2007. I tried to turn it on and pretty much, was dead. I checked the battery, nothing worked out. Well, I realized it was the starter. The starter is it's right here. This is a starter. I just went to the auto parts, to replace to get it. It's a new one. This is what it goes. So I'm gonna guide you here, how to fix it back. But before taking, I just took up everything here. The first thing you have to do is take out the battery, take out the liquid at this bottle that you see here. You take it off. This is just to give you some room there, and then you start unplugging all the connections that you see in order to get it's really if you take everything out like it is right now, it shouldn't be that difficult. But if you try to do it without taking everything out, it's gonna be difficult. So here we go. So I'm gonna try to put it back, and here we go. So what I'm gonna try to do is put this hole you see here into here, and then I'm going to put this part right here, so that goes there, and then it goes the another part, which is let's see where the part is. And then this is the other part right here, which is gonna go right here, and then just make the connections, this with this, and then once everything is placed in, you hook up this with this part right here. So I'm gonna keep showing as we go. Okay, so it's already installed. If you see, this one is already connected to the engine, this one to the plugs. So now we're gonna put this back. Pretty much this one you just have to find the holes where they go here, and there's a little seal, which is this one here. This one goes right here, and then we make all the connections. So this is the part right here. Okay, so this is the seal, and we're gonna put this one in here, and then this one we're gonna bring it connected here and place it here. Okay, so this is how the part looks like. So I'm finding the holes here, all the entrance. These holes will go here. There's a little lock here, which is you can just squeeze it, and then this one goes here, this goes here, and this goes here, and that's pretty much it. Then you just place the antifreeze in here, the bottle, and you replace the battery back with all the connections, and should be good to go. Okay, so now it's pretty much inside. Now I just need to put put this where they go in each hole. There are four of these pieces here, which will go 1, 2, 3, and there's one right here, and that hole right there. So so this one will go here, and then there's another hose that goes here, but I'm gonna show this one will go here and this will here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep showing you as. Okay, so I got this piece right here that goes here. Okay, and then I got this other one that goes here. Okay, see, once you get it going, you know, it's you know, the more you do it, you know, the more practice you get. The first time always is more, of course, more difficult, but once you get a little bit more of knowledge of where every piece goes, you're gonna be more confident of doing it yourself. This is the third one, and here we go. It's right here. Okay, so I just need to tie them up. And this is the ones that goes in that hole right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just place the camera in that hole right here. You see, right there. This is where that gonna go. Okay, so we're pretty much done with us reconnecting everything back. So this one goes here, this goes here, and this little hose goes here, and then the water pump, which is for the antifreeze, the barrier. That's pretty much it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Please like it if you like it, and share it with friends and family. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video.